श्री गुरु चरणा पद्मं केवल भागति सद्मं बंद मोहि सावधान माते जहाँ राम प्रसादे बाई भवतो रिया जहाँ कृष्ण प्राप्ति होई जहाँ होइते गुरुमुख पद्मा वाक्यं चितते कोरिया ऐक्यम् आरना कोरी हो मने आशा श्री गुरु चरणे रति ऐसे उत्तमागति. That's the secret. When there is great attachment to Shri Guru Charana, then Uttama Gati will be prapti, will be attained by default. When there is great attachment to Shri Guru Charana Padma, Krishna Prapti happens right there. And there is no Krishna Prapti without attachment to Shri Guru Padma. Because it is all Sankalpa Vikalpa only that goes on in our system. If there is no attachment to Guru Charana Padma. Only when we are greatly attached to Guru Charana Padma, that much we are with Krishna in loving seva. So, चक्षुदान दिलो जय जन्म जन्मे प्रभु से दिव्य ज्ञान हृदय प्रकाशित हो प्रेम भक्ति जहाँ होते अविद्या विनाश जाते वेद गाया हर चरित हो श्री गुरु करुणा सिंधु आधम जनार बंधु लोकनाथ लोकेर जीवाना आह प्रभु कोरो दया देह मोरे पाद चयन हे बिचाशु त्रिभुवाना श्रील प्रभुपाद पतित पावन गुरुदेव होइलो शरणं जय प्रभुपदं जय प्रभुपदं श्रील प्रभुपदं जय गुरुदेवा जय गुरुदेवा जय गुरुदेवा जय गुरुदेवा श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः वाञ्छकल्पतरुभ्यश्च कृपा सिन्धुभ्येव च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमः. All the Vaishnavas are like these are fulfilling trees and they are dear to Krishna and taking the dust from the lotus feet of all the Vaishnavas, smearing on the head and dancing in joy. Vaishnavera pada dhuli, tahe mora snana keli, tarpan mora Vaishnavera nama. When we take the food dust, when we are hankering for the dust from a Bhagavata to be placed at the dust particle, saffron dust particle of a Bhagavata, it is to be known that we will automatically have a desire to be at the Sadhu Charanarena, to be placed at Sadhu Charanarena. That is the potency of the food dust of a Bhagavata. It will make the jiva so humble that it wants to be at the food dust of a sadhu, Vaishnava. That's the strength of the food dust of a Bhagavata. That it so beautifully places us at the food dust of all the Vaishnavas. Vaishnavera pada dhuli, tahe mora snana keli, tarpan mora Vaishnavera nama. Dhana mora nityananda, pati mora gaura chandra, prana mora yugala kishora. Vrindaye tulsi devyaye priyaye kesavasya cha Krishna bhakti pradi devi satyavate namo namaha. The groves of Vrindavana, the land of divine. तुलसी कृष्ण प्रेयसी नमो नमः। राधा कृष्ण सेवा पावो ये अभिलाषी। એ તો મારા શરણાલય તારા વાંછ પૂર્ણ હોય, કૃપા કરી કોરો તારી વૃંદાવન વાસી. મોરયે અભિલાષ વિલાસ કુંજ દિયો વાસ, નયને હરિભો સદમ યુગલ રૂપ રાસી. એ નિવેદના ધારો સખીરનુગત કરો, સેવાધિકારો દિયો કરો નિજ દાસી. Karo Nija Dasi, Sakiran Vatya Seva, Karo Nija Dasi. When this is going on internally, then it is to be understood that yes, we will be placed in the groves of Vrindavana as we are quitting this mortal frame. After all, what other occupation is there for us anyway? To be internally situated in Sakiranugatya Seva. That's all. The rest of it will fall in place anyway. Why think about it? It will. दादामी बुद्धि योगंतम हो जाएगा. यानि कानि च पापानि ब्रह्महत्यादिकानि च तानि तानि प्रणश्यन्ति प्रदक्षिण पदे पदे. See, it will not happen the other way. Oh, I'll think of this and that and this and that and be absorbed in doing this for them, that for them, running a road, cramming this, and then maybe I will think of Krishna. It doesn't happen that way. Naimittika dharma doesn't lead to Nitya dharma. Being engrossed in Naimittika dharma, unless it is performed for the satisfaction of Krishna, doesn't lead to Nitya dharma. And that is just only a beginning point. Naimittika dharma, doing our responsibilities here for the pleasure of Krishna, is simply a beginning point, dovetailing point. That doesn't necessarily mean it will give a spiritual body inside. But if our focus is on the absorption of Krishna within, so much so that everything appears as Krishna's, so much so that we give everything outside to Krishna, and being situated in the Nitya Dharma, in loving service to Krishna, then yes, and Naimittika Dharma is also fulfilled. So inside out can happen, but outside in, That's why descending mercy, it is filled inside, so it can just flow outside.